Hello and welcome back to Micro Learn. I'm so excited to have you here. If you're passionate about e-learning, instructional design, or creating online courses, you're in the right place. Whether you're just starting out or making a career shift into instructional design, this series is designed to guide you step by step through the entire process. Over the next few months, I'll be your go-to guide, breaking everything down into easy-to-follow lessons that will help you become a skilled instructional designer. From laying down the foundations to mastering industry tools, this series is all about helping you turn your passion for learning into a thriving career. So, what can you expect? We'll be covering everything from the very first step of instructional design, identifying training needs, all the way to launching a high-quality course. You'll learn how to conduct a training needs assessment, how to write clear and measurable learning objectives, the best instructional design models to follow, how to create engaging storyboards and prototypes, how to develop interactive e-learning experiences, and how to assess training effectiveness to ensure learning success. And the best part, I'm also sharing free instructional design, templates, checklists, and even offering to review your draft projects to help you improve your skills. So if you're working on a course and want feedback, this is the perfect place to learn and grow together. Now let's talk about what instructional design really is. At its core, it's about creating learning experiences that actually work. It's not just about putting a bunch of slides together or dumping information into an online course. It's about structuring content in a way that makes learning engaging, effective, and results-driven. Think about a poorly designed course. You've probably seen one before. Maybe it's overloaded with text, lacks interaction, or just feels boring and overwhelming. But a well-designed course, that's what instructional design is all about. It makes learning structured, interactive, and easy to follow. And here's the exciting part. This career is incredibly flexible. You can work in corporate training, designing programs for employees, higher education, developing university courses, government and NGOs, supporting large-scale learning initiatives, freelancing, creating courses for businesses or online platforms like Udemy. If you're a teacher looking to transition into instructional design, this field is a great fit because many of the skills you already have, like lesson planning, structuring content, and engaging learners, apply directly to this role. Now, if you're wondering what it really takes to be a successful instructional designer, here are the key skills you need. Content structuring, organizing learning materials in a way that makes sense. Tech skills, using e-learning tools like Articulate, Canva, and Pictory AI communication, working with subject matter experts to turn information into engaging training, learning theories, understanding models like ADDIE, Bloom's taxonomy, and adult learning principles. And here's the good news. Instructional design is a high-demand career. In the US, salaries range from $60,000 to $100,000 per year, depending on experience and industry. And if you choose freelancing, you can set your own rates and work with clients worldwide. So, now that you have an overview, in the next episode, we'll dive into the first and most important step in instructional design, training needs assessment. This step helps you identify skill gaps and create training that actually solves real problems. So trust me, you don't want to miss it. Before you go, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future episodes. I'm so excited for this journey, and I'll see you in the next video.